5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Hi everyone, I'm Kat. And I'm back from English
Explosion.
It's nice to see you again. I'm so happy that you are studying our 7 secrets video course. These secrets are going to change the way you study English. Today I'm going to teach you our first secret, which is listen, listen, listen. The truth is before you learn how to speak English, you need to learn how to listen to English. Now, I want you to think about how you learn to speak your native language as a baby. You listen, contribute to the people around you, into the world from TV and radio. You were taking in all this information, all of this input, and one day you magically started to talk, and once you start with your first word, it continue into the sentence and never stop it. All of the information, the input you took in built up until that magic moment, which we call the English
Explosion.
The English explosion is that magic moment when it's a reaction and all of the English you've been learning and building up inside come pouring out. As you listen, you are filling your memory bank with information. You are a sponge that is absorbing all of this English, and you have to listen again and again to the information to store it in your memories. The more time you can listen to something, the better. And as you take in more input, more information, there will be the magic moment, the English explosion, where all of this information will come out naturally as you start to speak. Listen carefully will also improve your accent. You will get used to the language and begin to recognize common expression and intonation and sounds. Hours of listen to correct the material is more effective than many hours of class time reading and studying in wrong material. In most language school and speaking classes, students are asked to do a lot of reading, and then they are asked to start practicing speaking about what they have read. This is wrong. How can students speak English if they have not heard it spoken correctly? By listening to English, you are able to recognize the difference between sound and word and pronunciation. Your speaking skills will improve when you can hear conversational English better. This is why many students who don't have a lot of practice listening to English think native English speakers speak too fast, and that's why they can't understand them when they speak quickly and naturally. This is because the students don't have the skills to recognize the difference between the sounds and the words that native speakers are saying. But if you master your listening skills, you will easily be able to recognize the words, sound, and phrases the native speakers are saying. And you will be able to use all of these sounds, words, and phrases yourself when you are speaking English. To help you train your ear and improve your listening skills, we have created the English Explosion system. Our system is made up of amazing listening that will show you how to use its listening scarcity. Our English explosion system is for to help you maximize your speaking ability. Alright everyone, thanks for watching. We have enjoyed making this video for you. As always, tomorrow we will teach you our next powerful secret that will help you lead to speak English fluently and confidently.